Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shirley with Unboxing a Brand. Today we're going to be unboxing the Summer 2020 Box of Style. Oh, it's a huge box. During my last video, I said that I was not going to continue my subscription with them, but they enticed me with a free gift as well as $30 off of their summer box. So I was like, okay. They always do a full spoiler of everything in their boxes, and every single item actually I really liked, and also I'm definitely going to use. So I thought that, okay, fine, I'll try them again. So this box arrived, and let's take a look at everything inside. If you're new to Box of Style, my only advice to you is to never pay full price, because they always have like discounts. They always have discounts for holidays, they have discounts just to have discounts, and they almost always have a free gift. So I don't know how they stay in business, because I've had the same account this whole time. I just canceled my subscription and I just order another box, and they always allow me to use a coupon code. So I'm not complaining or anything, but like, don't be a sucker and pay full price for this box. Okay, so let's have a look at the Box of Style. Okay, whoa. It usually comes in a separate box on the inside, but I guess because this item is so big, it just didn't make sense for them to order a new box. And their other boxes are much higher in quality. And I'll link some of my other videos here or down below so that you can take a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, so they're saying something here. Being kind to the environment is always in style. We've kept it chic and reduced the waste by reimagining our process and delivering this season's curation in one box rather than two. We've saved enough cardboard to make up the Hollywood sign 3 times over. This is our first step in an effort to become more sustainable. Enjoy. Okay, well, that's what they say. I always save my boxes and reuse it, and I use it for organization and stuff like that, but I guess it does save the environment. If you don't save the boxes and throw it out, that's kind of a waste. Anyway, so I guess they've gone away with those boxes. Those boxes are really nice. I'm kind of sad that they did that, but that's okay. All right, so you'll get a little pamphlet on the inside, and let's just go through the first item, because it seems like everything is wrapped up in this one thing. So the first item, as you can see, is a bag. It's like a duffel weekender bag. Oh, and it comes with a dust bag as well, even though the dust bag barely covers the bag and there's no zipper or anything. So this is by Henny and Lev, and this is a canvas bag with leather looking like details. This is obviously not real leather. This is probably vegan leather or pleather, if you want to call it that. So, ooh, look at this bag. I feel like this bag is pretty unisex, right? It's not only for women. I think guys can use this too. I placed an order for this bag with the intention of letting my husband use it as his hospital bag. We're actually expecting a baby, and I need to pack a bag for him when we go to the hospital. So this will be his hospital bag. I hope he doesn't mind. I hope he doesn't think it looks too girly. Let me see if I can find... Okay, so this is what it looks like in the catalog. The Canvas Weekender is priced at $159. Wow, okay. There's like little like travel tag here. You can put your information in. It doesn't come with a card inside though. You kind of have to like make your own. That's kind of weird. And okay, let's open it up. Okay, so there's like a little tab on the side here where you can loop it through, and I guess just kind of do this, right, to cinch it a little bit if you want. If it's not too full of stuff, you can do that to both sides. Cool. I guess there's no strap for this. Oh no, there is. I see one in the picture. Okay, let's just open it. Ooh, okay. I'm just gonna find the straps first, and then I'll go into the what I just oohed at. Okay, so this is a shoulder strap, and you can attach it to here. So the strap also has this like little thing to protect your shoulder a little bit, a shoulder pad if you will, and you can adjust the length of the strap. Cool. Wow, I'm happy with this bag. Like, this will be a good gym bag too. Okay, so the free gift that I got is a free towel. This is by Missoni, and I actually got this in last summer's Box of Style, and I wanted this box because obviously I only got one box last season, so we only have one towel. Now we have two, and so my husband and I can both have one. Okay, so this was my free gift. Next item that I see, we'll do this one. So this is a shawl or a sarong by Peter Som. This is one size fits all, and it's called the Dream Floral Sarong, and the color is Meteorite. This was actually a choice item. There are 2 different colorways that you can choose from, and you don't have to be a yearly member for you to choose the colors. You can just choose based on your style. But this is what the other one looks like. It's like a pink and coral color, and this is the one I chose. I just have way too many things in this colorway that I was like, you know what, I should do something different. So I went with this one. This one's really nice too. Ooh, it's very soft. And I love the tassels. Look at that. How pretty. It's very big. I mean, you can obviously, there's so many different ways to wear it. You can even just wear it as a scarf. Or if your office or your home office gets too cold during the summer because of the AC, you can just kind of like cover yourself like this. The reason why I wanted to get this was because, like I said, we're expecting our first baby. I actually wanted to use this almost like a nursing cover, but I don't know if it's too sheer. Anyways, we'll figure it out. It'll also look good like just on the wall or something. This is very nice. Okay, probably not going to be going to the beach or the pool anytime soon, but if I do, I have something I can use for as a cover up. Multi-uses, very excited. I love the color. I love that I chose this color and not the other one. The next item, wow, they really like, oh, I think this is part of the bag. This like, yeah, this came with a bag. So you get a duffel bag and like a small makeup bag or something. And I just noticed that there are pockets on the inside of this bag. Sorry to jump around so much because they shoved everything in this bag. So there's a smaller zipper pocket on the inside here. And you can like zip it open and put like your wallet and stuff inside. And then on the other side, there are open pockets like this. So that you can put like your phone and water and stuff like that. Oh, what's this? Care instructions. Creasing is normal with vegan leather and will smooth out after normal use. To clean, use a damp cloth to wipe down and hang dry. Not safe to dry clean or machine wash. Do not use heat. I wonder if you can wash it on a gentle cycle with cold water in the machine. I might just do that. Maybe they don't want the hardware getting wet. Okay, well, let's see. Anyways, okay, sorry. So this is cool too. It came with a little pouch. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, okay. So this is the next item. It's by Panacea. So this is a pair of earrings, and I see a loose bead in here. I hope it didn't, maybe it just fell when they were packing it. It doesn't look like it's really damaged. Probably just got into the bag somehow. Well, they're like tasseled earrings. Maybe I'll wear it for the rest of the video. I don't think there were other colors. This is the only color that I came in, but it's a very summery color and you can match it with a lot of things. Cute. And it's pretty lightweight. It doesn't really weigh down on your ears. Ooh, I like it. All right, so I forgot to tell you the price of the sarong. The retail price of the sarong is $195. I don't really know if all of these things are what they claim to be, but that's not how much I paid for it. Let me tell you about these earrings. These earrings are $55. Add these to any outfit for an instant upgrade. Pair with a summer-inspired floral dress and sandals, or amp up your poolside look by adding them to your sarong ensemble. So yeah, you can like just go out to the beach like this. We have 2 more items. The next item, ooh, I love this box. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. So this is by Kosas. This is a color and light cream blush and highlighter. Made in the USA, so that's good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Nice little case. Ooh, very summery colors. Look at that. I'm not gonna put any on now because I think my hands are kind of dirty from doing the unboxing, but these are very nice colors. One is sort of like a darker tone, and then you have like a highlight tone, so that's cool. And I don't really have a skin tone, but that's kind of what it looks like. I just find these sort of palettes really easy to use. You can just take it with you and like just kind of pops them onto your cheeks whenever you feel like you need a little more color. So very happy with this. I really like this box. The retail value for this is $34. The last item that we have here is a Hydro Repair Day Cream Camellia Geranium Blossom Grown Alchemist. This is what the box looks like. Finalize your multi-step skincare routine with a pea-sized dollop of satisfying hydration, or wear alone for skin crunching pick-me-up. Ooh. Okay, so this you have to kind of pop the seal with this lid. I'm not going to do it now because I'm still going through my current day cream and I don't want to open it and have it sit there waiting. If I decide to open it later and you're curious about the texture or the weight of it, let me know in the comment section below and I'll let you know there. But yeah, but that's what it looks like. Nice. I'm so excited. I'm very happy about this box. Wow. I guess they have my business back. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick recap of everything that we received. The first item is this duffel bag that also came with a smaller makeup bag. The next item was this Grown Alchemist Hydrating Hero Day Cream. The third item are these earrings. The fourth item is this Kosas Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter. And the fifth item is the sarong, in which you can choose your color. Usually all of Box of Style comes with 5 items, and because I guess they just want customers, they offer to give you a free gift, and I chose this. Oh, maybe I'll open it for you guys so that you can see it. Actually, you know what? When I was scrolling Instagram today, I noticed that they're actually offering 3 different gifts for you to choose from. One was this towel. The second choice was from last summer, and it's this like macrame bag that came in black. And then the third item I think was a makeup pouch or something like that. But I took a screenshot and I'll put it here so that you can take a look if you are still thinking about joining. I think if you go to their website, you can like choose your free gift. Anywho, so ooh, yeah, this is the towel. It's a really good size. You can obviously take it to the pool with you, but we just use it for like as an everyday bath towel. If you can't happen to find an ad or anything sharing a discount code, I also have a referral code. You can get $25 off of your box, and I'll make sure to leave it down below so that you can use it. So Box of Style also has a member marketplace where they have their previous boxes and also some of their most popular items on sale, and you can get it at a discount. So I'll try to leave like something here for you to take a look at so that you can see what I'm talking about. But oh wow, this towel, they're currently selling it for $79.99 on their members marketplace. That's crazy. You do have to be a member for you to shop the marketplace. They don't have too many items, but if there's something that you absolutely love from one of the previous boxes, sometimes they'll have it on there. So check that out as well. All right, so that was unboxing the summer 2020 Box of Style. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you're having a great day. If you have any questions or comments about this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And you can also check out some of my other videos here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!